If someone is asking you, do you have a YouTube channel? Then how will you answer? You have two options here. Yes, I have. And second option is, yes, I do. अब ये मत बोलना कि 19-20 का फर्क ही तो है, कुछ भी बोल दो सही होगा. No. यहाँ 19-20 का नहीं, यहाँ 10-20 का फर्क है. You have to say yes, I do have a YouTube channel. Or in short, you have to say yes, I do. Just like if someone is asking that, do you like coffee? Then you say, yes, I like. That's incorrect. You have to say, yes, I do like coffee. Yes, I do, in short. I am agree. I agree will be correct. Agree is a verb, not an adjective. So please stop using am with agree. Oops, I did a mistake. No, dear. I made a mistake is correct. Did nahi aayega. Remember, we never do mistakes. We always make mistakes. Just like we make tea, same way we make mistakes. For example, sentence you can say, oops, I made a mistake in recognizing your loose character. Okay, so today I'm making this video 10 common English grammar mistakes which every English learner have to avoid. So today I'm making this video, so do not assume that I am the perfect person and I never make mistakes. I make mistakes, but it doesn't mean that I do not have knowledge and I am not growing. Let's discuss about it. Let's discuss it. Simply say, let's discuss this topic. Because discuss word is already mean talking about something. Okay, so you don't need to add unnecessary about here. Simply say, let's discuss this topic. One of my friend, one of my neighbor, one of my teacher, one of my relative, all are incorrect. You are saying it wrong. Remember, you are talking about one person among the so many people. Okay, so you have to say the right sentence will be one of my friends, one of my neighbors, one of my teachers, one of my relatives. So in sentence you can say one of my friends is coming today. One of my relatives is very toxic. One of my neighbors is very annoying. Okay, this way you have to say. Everyone are happy. Everyone is happy. I know everyone or somebody or everybody sounds plural, but it's actually singular. So instead of using are, you have to use is with them. For examples, you can say, see, everybody is looking at you. Everybody is against me because I want to do love marriage. Well, that was just an example. Or many examples you can make. You should also try making examples with me right now. Okay, so somebody, everybody or everyone with these words you have to use is. Next mistake which you have to avoid, and for that I have to give example. Okay, suppose you were about to catch the train and somehow you couldn't catch the train. So what will you say? I lost the train or I missed the train. Of course, I missed the train will be correct because lost means कोई चीज़ खो देना. अभी ट्रेन कोई खोने की चीज़ थोड़ी, आप जेब में थोड़ी लेके घूम रहे थे ट्रेन को कि ट्रेन को आपने खो दिया. ऑफ कोर्स वी लूज आवर कीज, हम अपनी चाबियाँ खो देते हैं, पर ट्रेन हम नहीं खो सकते. सो दैट्स व्हाई यू हैव टू से आई मिस द ट्रेन. एंड फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन से आई एम फीलिंग सैड बिकॉज yesterday my father missed the train. Next example I can give you that just suppose you and your friend, you both are waiting for any bus. You both want to catch the bus, but there your friend said, Mamta, please wait for me 2 minutes. I want to use restroom. So there you will say, please hurry up. I don't want to miss the bus. See, in this mistake, these two words can make a huge difference and can change the whole meaning in sentence. So be very careful. Now you have two options and tell me which one is correct. I'm using watch or I'm wearing watch. Of course, I'm wearing watch will be correct. I will never say that I'm using pink color suit. No, I'm wearing pink color suit. I will say I'm wearing specs. I will never say that I'm using specs. Same way, I am wearing bracelet. She is wearing bracelet. You will never say that she is using bracelet. I'm having two sisters. I have two sisters will be correct because we use have to describe relationships. an advice I want to give here, and before that I want to ask that how do you correct somebody who is making mistake, grammar mistake in front of you? Do you directly highlight that, oh, you made mistake here, you should say this, you shouldn't say this? Please never do this. You don't know, indirectly you are affecting that person's, you are hurting that person. Indirectly you are doing this. So instead of highlighting directly mistake, what you can do, you can indirectly correct that person. Let me tell you how. If that person is saying, I'm having 2 sisters, I'm having 2 brothers, you could say, oh wow, you have 2 sisters. Simple. When you will say that, oh, you have 2 sisters, so that person will listen and that person will directly understand that, okay, I have to say this, I have 2 sisters, instead of saying I'm having 2 sisters. I will return back in 5 minutes. I will return in 5 minutes. Do not add this extra word back, because return का मतलब ही है back होना, coming back. Okay, so do not use unnecessary back here. Same way you say, I ordered for a pizza. I ordered a pizza. Keep it simple. Same way, one more is here. Can you explain about this? Can you explain this? Keep it simple. Do not add extra words while you are speaking. So these were the 10 mistakes which you have to avoid to sound more appropriate. So that's it for today's video, and if you liked this video and if you want that I should make such more videos, then you can tell me in the comment section, and I will surely make, if you only want. Okay, so catch you very soon.